welcome to my Ocean One and Then Some channel. I wanted to provide my viewers a quick update on my most recent trades and my thoughts on how I'm going to handle tomorrow. I won't know how I will handle tomorrow for sure until tomorrow is about ready to close. But I've been gone all day and I'm just now getting the video done. My daughter's car had a brake malfunction and I had to get that taken care of, and it ended up being an all-day process. But anyway, let's jump right into the video and I'll show you the trades that I did today and what that leaves me for tomorrow, and then my thought process for tomorrow. Okay, if you've been watching my videos, I think the last video that I did ended basically with this leading into this. So let's just start right here. I bought to open two 1750 puts, paid 0.42 or $84. And if you remember at the time, I said that that was a mistake. I didn't have enough money to sell as many puts here, $18 puts, as I wanted to. So what I decided to do was, okay, I just carried through with that, and I bought to open two, and then I sold to open three $18 puts. Well, I paid $84 for that, and I collected $204. And then yesterday, I went ahead and I sold to close one of these, and I sold it for $26. So I got $26 back of the 42. And then the reason I didn't sell it back this day was because if you're not careful, you'll get hit with a trading pattern or being considered a day trader. So I just let that go the rest of the day, and then the following day I took it off. So on the 22nd, that's the only trade I made, was to sell that back. So I collected $26. Okay, now today, my thought process was this. Well, I want to go into tomorrow with an open mind, and I needed to think about the trades that I have. So what I did today was I sold to close the other put. Now, why did I do that? I wanted to go ahead and collect the $7, and I felt like that the 1750 was going to hold. If you know, today we dropped and then we finished fairly strong. So I felt like the 1750 would hold, and really we would have to close tomorrow around what, 1740. Would have to close at 1740 for this put to have any value tomorrow. So I'm like, okay, I'm just going to go ahead and collect the $7 here, and I'm going to buy to close one. So I went ahead and took one off here, and I still have two. So I bought to close it. I paid $27. I had originally collected $68. So that left me with $42. I think this was right at 57, 58% on the trade. So, you know, that's a good trade. I went ahead and locked that in. I did consider closing out everything and just locking in those profits, but I wanted to squeeze just a little bit out tomorrow, hoping that we would hold this level or close to it. So either way, I still have two of these out. And then after tomorrow, we can add this, we can add that, we can subtract that, we can add that, and see how I did for the week. So that covers the trades for those of you that are following. I'm trying to keep this as simple as possible. Now, tomorrow being Friday, tomorrow is the last day that we have before SoFi reports earnings. Now, right now, I'm thinking of setting up a directional trade where I don't know whether it's going to go up a lot or going to go down a lot. I think it's going to move one way or the other. My thought process right now is SoFi has already had a good run up leading into earnings. So if there's anything weak at all Monday when they report earnings, we could potentially have a big downswing. Now, I'm not looking for that. I don't hope for that, but I'm just saying we've had a good run. We've basically, you know, around the 14 level. We're right at around 18 is the making of this video. So pulling back to 16 or 17 would not surprise me. However, if earnings are really good and there's nothing to complain about in the earnings, then we could potentially shoot up to 19 or 20 very, very rapidly. So I'm thinking about just setting up a directional trade, which means I would set it up to where if we have a big swing down, I would make money. If we have a big swing up, I would make money. If we stay kind of neutral, I wouldn't do much at all. That wouldn't be a very good trade. But I'm going to think about that a little bit more. And then tomorrow, if I do the trade around 2 or 3 o'clock, I'll do a video over that. If I do it after the market closes, then of course, or if I don't have time, then I'll do that after. Okay. That my trades can't be set up in real time, no matter how I do this, because I have to run the video through YouTube and it has to be approved. And by the time you do all that, it usually takes about 30 to 45 minutes. So anyway, I hope everybody's doing well, and I hope SoFi scores a very big win Monday. Hoping we hold the $18 level tomorrow or close to it, or even go above it. That would be good. But anyway, that's the update for my trades, and then tomorrow I'll do another video for you guys. Those of you that are watching, I appreciate it. If you're learning or if you have questions, just ask me. I'll try to help you. But always remember, these are my personal trades. Any trades that you do, it's on you. All right, guys, thanks a lot. Thanks for joining in, and until next time.